All right.
I got chicken!
Wow.
Finally, I got chicken!
Yeah.
You get token.
Okay, grab a token.
I'm
Person
so-
who gets the most tokens is the winner and gets the prize.
I'm gonna get the most silky. Every round! We have Squawk the chicken.
That's what we're playing today? Okay.
We're playing this game!
And what does it have?
Baby!
All right, let's play this game. We got a big chicken
In the dice.
and a dice. So the rules are you have to roll the dice and then whatever number you get, you have to press
You
here.
have to do a clock and then
Clockwise.
and then you have to roll the dice and then which number you get.
Okay, let's start.
And
You
you
start.
and then the
Okay, then Bobby's gonna play if you're not playing.
hey
Okay.
Okay, the youngest player starts. What do we get?
Three.
3. Press firmly 3 times. All right, nothing happened. Poppy next player. Whoa.
Whoa.
1. Oh, nothing happens. Mommy's turn. 2.
You're lucky. I got 3 because I'm a big boy.
All right,
I got
Evan's turn.
Wow, what
Wow.
a spin.
Damn. 3.
Alright.
And you have to do like woo shakalaka.
2.
2. Like mommy.
Uh-oh. 2, okay.
Bobby's turn.
Your
Mommy's
turn.
1.
My turn.
Goodness. Yeah.
Dice. 2.
2.
Evan's turn.
2.
2.
2, okay. Oh!
Stop. Opera.
That's not fair.
One more
The
press.
other
Press
one.
1 more, okay.
Okay.
That. 1.
My turn.
Your pop mommy's. 2.
2.
2 like Poppy. Oh, you got egg. You did nothing.
Oh no! Since I got an egg instead of the chicken, I got no tokens. So you just keep playing.
So you keep playing.
Now you put the little chicken back in the egg, put it under, press it over, lock it in.
Lock it.
Lock it in. Okay. And close this. Alright, continue play.
Evan's turn.
I can do it. That is that the fist? That's
2.
the fist.
2. Press hard, press hard. 1.
Okay.
What? I don't want to get egg.
2.
2. I don't want to get egg.
There you go. See?
I got chicken!
Oh, Bobby got chicken.
Did he win?
Alright, you get 1 token.
Token.
Hey, you get the token. Just pop it up.
Oh, yeah, just pop it out like this.
Alright, Bobby gets a token.
I
Person
wanna
who gets the most tokens gets the surprise.
I want to win.
Alright, let's do it.
Ma!
That's turn. Oh! Oh no!
My turn.
2.
My turn. Super Speedway.
He's not giving you his turn. Hey, that was cheating. Here you go. You get one. Oh, I think mine's gonna be next. We're gonna open up. Look at that. And
You got an egg like me.
not fair.
You.
Open that.
Right?
It opens.
I got only one. Oh, still open.
You got chicken.
Oh, I got chicken. Let me see. Let me see. Yay! I got chicken. I get a token.
But I'm the only one that I think.
Bobby's gonna give mine to Evan.
Mommy gets one. Bobby gets one. All right.
Oh, I'm the only one that I think
Let's put the chicken back in the egg.
in a safe place.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Put the chicken on top of it.
Did I
Okay.
smash you?
No. Lock it in. Close it up. Back in the chicken hen house.
Three.
I'm going to get lucky.
All right.
Finally, I got chicken.
Wow.
Finally, I got chicken.
Yeah.
You get token.
Okay, grab the token.
I'm
Person
so-
who gets the most tokens is the winner and gets a prize.
I'm going to get the most chicken.
Okay, put it.
Mine.
One. All right.
Where is it?
I see a chicken in there.
Ooh, chicken. You get one more token.
No,
All right.
You get one more token.
Wow.
I mean, three.
Three. You're not going to get it.
Ooh.
You're not going to get it.
Hey, Bobby didn't get it. The last token.
Slowly, slowly. Two.
Two. I want to get.
You won!
Oh my God, Evan, you got this. You got the last token. How many tokens do you have now?
3.
All right. Evan got 3 tokens.
High five. Evan,
Bobby
the winner,
got 2. Mommy got only 1.
But I got.
Give me one more high five. Wow, good job.
The winner gets.
It's a surprise.
Where is
The
it?
winner gets a special surprise.
Who got that?
What is it? Let me see. How does it work?
You press this down and down.
Oh, nice. And what is it inside?
Candy!
Oh, nice. Awesome.